Ooh. I'm excited about this one today. That was my excited noise. What's up guys, hope you're all good. So in today's video, I'm putting crayons on my face. Oh, almost had you there. No, I picked up some bits from Crayola, just in case you really did think I was actually gonna put crayons on my face. So yeah, Crayola launched their own brand like a while ago. This isn't new. None of this is new stuff. I missed the bandwagon of when everyone was doing the review on Crayola, but I saw it again on ASOS and I also saw a few little bits randomly in TK Maxx. This is obviously like pre-lockdown. I wasn't just like sneaking into TK Maxx while the stores were shut and just like, but yeah, I just really wanted to try it out for myself. I mean, it's literal crayons that you put on your face. So yeah, you can get it on ASOS, Simply Be, and then also like randomly in some TK Maxx stores. I got this palette here from TK Maxx. Originally it's £22. I got it for a tenner, but it's just the tropical eyeshadow palette. Includes 10 cream, matte, and metallic eyeshadows. Ooh. Then from ASOS, I ordered this face palette. I got this gift set here from Simply Be. Like, I'm hoping this product here is just rattling around somewhere in the box because like, otherwise I don't know where it went. I also got this little set here. I think you can apparently use these like anywhere, lips, face, eyes, butthole, whatever. I picked up 2 individual shades. So I got a dark brown, then I also got a pink, and then I also got this stuff. I don't really know what it is. It's a highlighter, but it looks quite glittery. Oh no. No, it looks all right. Ooh. Oh my God, it's so liquidy. I mean, it kind of disappeared on my hand, but it's kind of shiny. I'll take it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try and do something a little bit creative today. Try and maybe like mix up some colors. Obviously I've got pinks and blues. I might do a pink lip and like a blue kind of graphic eye look. I don't know, I'm a little bit nervous about it. I might look like a clown, but let's do it anyway, who cares? I act like a clown, I may as well look like one. So first of all, I actually wanna like open this up because inside it says it has a highlighter crayon, a mascara, a face crayon, and then a lip and cheek crayon. So let's see if everything's actually in there or if I've just been scammed. The whole gang's here. So yeah, inside that kit, I also got a stick highlighter, 2 little pencil crayon things, and then I also got a mascara. So I guess let's do some little pink cat ears today. I mean, to be honest, at this point, I kind of just wear them for the aesthetic. Oh God, I wasn't prepared for this. I've got 2 highlighters to try out. Okay, let's try this. I don't normally like these sticks. I find they're a bit kind of like, I don't know. I don't normally like cream products, but this looks quite nice. Seems to blend out okay. Can you even see that? Can you? There. And then yeah, I also have this liquid stuff. I mean, I said I'm going creative today, so does it really matter if I have 2 different highlighters on my face? Let's try that. I guess I just tap it out. I mean, can you even really see much there? I see it picking up on camera, but in person, like, doesn't really look like much. Let's try this stuff here. So I guess I'll just, oh my God, it's so liquidy. And I'll just blend it out with my really, really dirty sponge that needs to go in a wash, but probably won't for a few days still. That's kind of disappeared as well. Hello? What is happening here? Maybe this would be better like on here. No. Okay, so these 2 things suck. Good to know, wasting my money on that. Let's try the face palette, because generally I do get along a lot better with like powder highlighters and bronzers and stuff. So it looks like this, and inside, okay, we've got a little bit of mess going on here. If you guys can see that in the mirror, like I haven't opened this yet. Look, messy, but that's okay, because I am as well. Everything seems to be quite shimmery. This bronzer here might be okay. I think it's kind of a blusher, but it might be okay. Let's try this little guy here. I mean, they are very, very pigmented. I'm pretty sure this is more of a blusher than it is a bronzer, but I mean, like I said, I'm probably gonna end up with like blue and red and pink on my face today, so it's just a whatever day. Put a little bit of that here, try and warm my face up. I'm taking a teeny tiny amount, and I mean, you can definitely see it on camera. Okay, time to blend that out. I mean, that looks okay, I think. When I say I'm going in with a tiny amount, I really do mean it. I'm literally going bap, 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 skidded it, bap, bap, and a put, boom. Skia! Yes, I am still stuck in like 2018. You don't know. Let's go a little bit more on the forehead. I mean, this seems to be going on okay. I'm having no real issues with that. Although I do feel like where the cream highlighter was is now looking really like cakey and weird wherever I put the powder. How pigmented is this here? Because it looks very, very shimmery. Let's try it. Do a bit up higher. That's okay. Yeah, the powders seem to be fine so far. They're really, really pigmented though. So if you do end up buying one of these products, like you don't need a lot. I I feel like that looks okay. Like I said, it does look a little bit cakey where I put that cream highlighter, but that's not your fault, that's your fault. Let's now try a couple of the highlighters. So I have this one here. That looks like it's gonna go on my face. Yeah, I'd say so. We have this like super icy white one, which actually kind of looks like purpley. This one here, which, okay, that one looks more ice than the other one. And then we have this kind of rose goldy shade there, which also looks quite nice. Let's do a swatch here. I've got like black eyeshadow somewhere on my desk. I'm not actually this grubby. I kind of am, but like everywhere I put my hand, there's like bits of black eyeshadow everywhere. Ooh, that's good. That one's all right. That one's way too dark for me, but very pretty. Okay, no one's gonna be surprised if I use that one, right? It's like a given. Let's see what we can do with this. That looks pretty good to me. Again, it's looking a little bit funky with that base underneath. Round 2. I mean, it's obviously there. I'm just like, it just kind of looks a bit chunky. Why? I was so excited for all of this. Why does this happen to me? Yeah, it's like, it's making all of my base makeup look really, really chunky and cakey, and it wasn't looking like that 5 seconds ago. What have you done? Let's do a bit of this shade here on my Cupid's bow. Milk mustache. Okay, go back in with the champagne-y one. I'm definitely preferring the champagne-y one. The other ones just kind of look a little bit kids makeup-y. Do some of my brow bone there. I'm gonna take my teeny tiny little fan brush, which I literally just use for my brows basically. Just fits like perfectly into my little arch. I mean, it just looks kind of powdery. It's like it's actually sitting on my face. I won't lie, I was hoping to like this more than I currently do. Maybe I'll come back to that. So then I have this eyeshadow palette here, which honestly, I kind of want to use the crayons because I feel like they'll be a lot more fun. But let's have a little look here. So this is what the palette looks like. It does actually look pretty good. Like this shade here, for example, I'm like, ooh, ooh, ooh. I'll stop making that noise. Just trying to kind of think here. I mean, this pink shade here is the main thing that's like taking my fancy. Looks like this. Let's do a swatch just there. So far, I'm just very disappointed. I'm covered in swatches. Let's try one of the crayons. I think I might use this on my lips. I mean, these literally just look exactly like Crayola crayons. See? So I'm just gonna draw this on like I would normally. Ooh, okay, they're creamy, which is good. They kind of smell good as well. Okay, I'm liking this. I'm gonna fill in the rest of my lip. You can see how creamy they are and how pigmented. Ooh, okay, I quite like that. I don't think it will last on your lips that long. I don't think this will be a good like lip liner. So I think if you were to use this as a lip product, you would probably need a lip liner and then you just use this as a lipstick. But no, I like that. Very creamy, very pigmented, smells good, very nice. I'm kind of tempted as well to use a little bit of the reds to like, let's do it. Like here, just to mix it, make it a bit brighter. Yes. Just something a little bit more intense. God, these are messy though. Yes! I probably have it all over my teeth. I like those as lip products, I really do. So now, I think I am gonna do some kind of graphic-y, bluish sort of eye look. It might look crazy with this lip, but that's okay. I'm almost kind of tempted to do like just a plain graphic, like one color eye look, and then put a little bit of that pink on my inner corner. Why not? Okay, so I've got this blue shade first. Nice. The one thing is I've obviously felt how creamy these are on my lips. I don't know how these would work on my eyes. I mean, this one says a lip and cheek crayon. This one says a face crayon. I'm just confused as to where these crayons go. I'm putting it, I don't care, I'm putting it all over my face, all right? My eyes are my face. And just color a little bit in. So that's it, just as like a liner. But I do kind of want to color my whole face. I shouldn't though, should I? But I want to. Maybe I'll do like a bit of a graphic liner first. So let's do same kind of thing I did in my Lush video. I kind of like it, to be fair, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I don't hate it. I don't feel like there's any longevity to this at all. I feel like my lipstick's gonna wear off in an instant. I feel like this is just gonna bleed all over my face. What if I take a little bit of this and do like a slight little gradient there and kind of like overlap it. I didn't even realize that. I just fully went into my inner corner. I'm coloring in my entire lid, whatever. I mean, even if I don't like this look, that's fine. We've got to try this out. No, look at it. Oh no. Performance issues. Oh god, it broke. I mean, I'm having fun. I just don't know how, like, wearable any of this is. Not just in terms of, like, the color or whatever. It's just very kind of oily, which makes it easy to apply on your face, but it's just like, it's probably only gonna last literally about half an hour. I don't know what just happened over the past like 30 seconds, but I don't care. I'm putting crayons on my face, B. Having quite a bit of fun though. Regardless of whether I look nuts or not, I'm like, this is quite enjoyable. It's just drawing all over my face. This doesn't look good, does it? Okay. Have I got it on my teeth? Hello. I'm a makeup channel, apparently. Am I giving off like Debbie Harry vibes or no? No? Okay. I'm gonna go in with the mascara now before I do anything on my inner corner. So oh my god, this is like the most basic looking mascara I've ever seen. Look at that. It's just literally the plainest wand there ever was. Is this actually really doing anything to my freaking lashes? Look, I was so excited about this. I was thinking to myself, yeah, I'm gonna do something really out there. It's gonna be really good. And so far, I've basically just done kids makeup on myself. Okay, I'm managing to build up the mascara a little bit, but I'm getting it all over my eyelids as I do it. I'm just gonna leave it on my top lashes, I think. So the mascara's finally picking things up and it's making my lashes look a little bit longer than normal. It is taking quite a bit of work. I don't know if I like this look or not. I'm like looking at myself thinking, haha, you look silly, but I'm also kind of like, ooh, kind of like it. But yeah, no, there is zero chance that this will stay on my face. Like, it's all just slipping off already. I mean, everything on here is also just kind of shimmery. So I was thinking to myself, maybe I could like use one of the eyeshadows to mattify it down a little bit, but I kind of can't. Yeah, like that's shimmery. I'm also kind of tempted to just use this yellow on my inner corner. Yeah, why not? We're doing primary colors today. Let's just do something. Just do little dots until it kind of does something. Oh, that ain't fun on my inner corner. Why did I do that? Maybe I'll blend it out a little bit. I know you can blend these out as well, but like, I don't know. I feel like if I'm gonna do anything, I need to commit. Okay, blend it out, that looks a little bit better. Okay. Why do I kinda like this? It's like 80s or something. You know what? I'm also, it might not work, but I'm gonna do a bit of this on my lower lashes, like a bit of the blue. Just kind of run that over there. I'm guessing it'll probably transfer pretty quickly. I don't even think you can tell that I've done that. Maybe, kind of, I don't know. What do you think? I really do want to kind of use something on here. Maybe I'll put a tiny little bit of pink on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take a small little flat brush there. I think I might have preferred it before, but that's all right. We just gotta try these things. This video is basically just me for X amount of minutes, just reassuring myself. I mean, I definitely preferred it without that. It's kind of fun just playing around though. I mean, I think that's kind of it. I don't really know what else I can do. Should I do mascara on my lower lash line? I can always add blue over the top, but I feel like I need something there. I'm gonna go in with another layer of the mascara just to make my lashes a bit more clumpy. I guess that's kind of it. I thought I was gonna really hate it, in all honesty, like really, really hate it. And don't get me wrong, I would not wear this product in particular on my lids because I don't know if you can see there, it's already kind of like separating and going a little bit weird on my eyelids. And yeah, I can't really set anything down here. I don't know. I don't really know what to think in all honesty. I like the crayons as a lip product, like as a lipstick, I feel like they're really, really pigmented. I feel like as an eye base, these could work. Like, you know what? I'm actually gonna take a little bit of eyeshadow because I feel like it'll just look a lot better when it's set down. But then I'm also in my head kind of like, well, if I have to set it down, then what's the point? Because like the eyeshadows that I'm using right now are pigmented enough. So you don't really even need like a color base underneath, but I don't know. I definitely feel like as an eye base, that does work better. Like I'm just putting a little bit of light blue there, and then I'll go in with a bit of like a lilac shade on top as well, just to kind of mix them together. Like that to me looks way better because it's not shiny, it's not oily, and it just looks a lot more full. Because yeah, like on this side, you need something on top, otherwise there's no chance you can wear this on your eyes. Not on its own anyway. But yeah, like if that's the case, then I can just do this with a normal eye base. I don't need a colored one because the eyeshadows are pigmented enough anyway. I don't hate this look though. Like, in what world would I do blue eyeshadow with a pinky red lip? There is literally like no world. There is no world that I would do that apart from this moment right here. It does just kind of remind me of like Debbie Harry Blondie sort of vibes. I wouldn't ever wear it. You would not catch me dead outside wearing this because I'm boring. But I do kind of like it. But I mean, I could have created this look easily with any other makeup product. I don't think it's down to like any of these products. I feel like they've just made me kind of like go out of my comfort zone a little bit. What do you guys think? Do you hate this? Fair enough if you do. There is something weird about this that I'm oddly enjoying. I would say though that, honestly, I think I wasted my money a little bit here. I don't think the mascara is anything special at all. I think the crayons are good for like something fun or for like an eye base if you feel like you need it, or like lipsticks or whatever. But like, yeah, if you are gonna use them anywhere apart from on your lips, you will need to set them down. There's like no two ways about it. The eyeshadow palette, I mean, I know I only literally tried the tiniest amount of one product, but they're very dusty. It's like your brush doesn't actually pick up any pigment and it literally just brushes straight off. So I don't know with this one, but I don't feel like it's that good because even the pink, like it looks so bright in the pan, but it just wasn't really on my under eyes. And the face palette, I'm just like, maybe the highlighter's all right. I mean, you can see it shining quite nicely there. I'll take a little bit more and I'll just do some on my foreheads. I mean, it just kind of picks up texture. I don't really understand why, but it just kind of does. Don't get me wrong, it's not awful, but I mean, I think this cost me around about £18 or something. I wouldn't buy this again. If you said to me, Steph, you can send it back and keep your £18, I'd be like, yeah, I'd probably rather have the 18 quid. Could buy a nice kebab, go to McDonald's, order loads of double cheeseburgers. So yeah, when it comes down to like how much I paid for some of these things, I'm just like, okay, but you can get that cheaper in anywhere. And then the highlighters, I didn't really like those either. I mean, I'll try a little bit of this liquid one. Did I already try this? I think I might have done. On my shoulder. But like, I didn't plan on paying this much money for a shoulder highlighter. It doesn't even look like much either. Come on, I haven't even blended it out properly and it's just gone. I wasted my money a little bit here. I was so excited to try all this out and now I'm just like, now I just have loads of crayons everywhere. I do kind of like the makeup look though. So I'm like, okay, I wasted some money. I don't really like the products, but I'm like, ooh, I tried something different today. It might not look amazing, but I tried something different. So guys, let me know what you think of this makeup look in the comment section down below. Are you into like the multicolor sort of situation? Are you into the graphic liner kind of situation? Are you into whatever situation I'm in right now? Let me know if you guys ever tried out any of the Crayola products. Let me know if you want to, or have I just like completely put you off with this review? If you guys enjoyed this video or you find it helpful or whatever, then please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more of me because I upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Also, let me know what other brands you guys want me to do, any other weird brands, affordable brands, any brands, to be quite honest with you. I will put it on my face. I honestly don't know how to feel about this makeup look, to be honest. I keep going, ooh, and I keep going, But yeah, apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I just kind of feel like drawing penises on my face now. I'm 28, hi.